welcome everybody. Bob at 2 Pops of Breaks. It is Saturday, May 18th, and we're breaking Gold Rush autographs 16 by 20 multi-sport photos. Last 2 boxes in the case we just started tonight. It is boxes 2 and 3. We did pick a name, get 3 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized the customers, gave them a few minutes to trade. It's still like that DMP in most products. That's what I was saying. Yeah, I thought for sure we were, yep, but we did pull the Pittsburgh guy already, so hopefully that covered us. But we did give everybody a chance to trade. I am not seeing anything as far as trades go. I just want to see a couple of nice hits for our folks on our last 2 boxes in the case. Again, don't go anywhere, guys, because we're going to award the 4 bonus jerseys right after this. So we can open them up that way for you. Alright, guys. Our first box. Bam! Wow, wow, guys, again. Not a bad case. Going to be our second CMC. Not out of this case, but we pulled one out of the last, well, not last one, 2 cases ago. Gonna be CMC, Mr. Christian McCaffrey. Beckett hologram on her, guys. I had a feeling we were gonna have at least one nice one left, guys. I'm actually hoping the other one right behind it gonna be just as good, man. That might be wishful thinking, but very nice McCaffrey. Don't know who the hell's got him. Wow, man, D-John stepping into the room, friggin' going on a roll here, man. Wow, guys, very sorry everybody else. Like I said, D-John stepping in, taking 3 out of our last couple breaks here. I can swap it for Wander if you want, I mean, if you really insist, I can do that. Alright, guys, last one in the case. Don't go anywhere afterwards, guys, because we are going to award our 4 bonus jerseys right after this. Alright, guys, I'm just hoping for another solid hit here. Bam! Wow, well, again, guys, not a bad case at all again for us, man. Going to be O'Neal Cruz there, guys. Rube almost had that one last one, too, man. O'Neal Cruz, and sure enough, another fucking Pittsburgh guy. DMP jinked us on that one. Beckett and the Player hologram on it, guys. O'Neal Cruz. Well, folks, I'm sorry to everybody else who did not hit. I really do appreciate y'all helping us close that case out, though, guys, after a very slow week for us. Well, that one's going to SD. SD finally getting back on track. This case himself, his second hit of the case, guys. I am so sorry, everybody else. That is going to wrap up that 2-boxer. I do appreciate you all helping us fill that freaking thing up. Go back in the case. There it goes. All right, so don't go anywhere, guys. We are going to award our 4 bonus jerseys. So stop on by Bobby Two Pops Breaks.